So the question at hand today is, will Apple Ring replace Apple Watch? All right, so for many years, many companies have worked on smartwatches, and now a lot of companies are working on smart rings. Both, I think, uh, with great capabilities, different capabilities for different reasons. I think that honestly, Apple Ring will not replace Apple Watch. I think that some people will cater to Apple Watch, some people will cater to Apple Ring. One, because A, I think the Apple Ring is going to be slightly cheaper than the Apple Watch. It is a smaller, more sleek design. It'll, it'll definitely have less features, less functionality. You won't be able to answer phone calls or messages or anything. Now, I'm not really sure. We'll talk about this in another video, but I kind of want to see Apple Ring having a small screen display to display whether or not somebody's calling you or texting you or whatever, to have that same functionality as an Apple Watch with that sleek design. But again, I personally do not think it's going to completely replace Apple Watch or even outsell Apple Watch. Again, I think that there are a lot of people who will still love Apple Watch and still buy Apple Watch, but I think there is, you know, a separate side of people who, again, want an Apple Ring or a smart ring to replace a watch because they're not a watch kind of person. So yeah, that's my thoughts about it. Let me know yours in the comment section down below. I really want to hear your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you guys are new, and follow me on my social media for more content and more of a conversation about this, as well as my Discord. Links will be down in the description. See you guys in the next one.